Hi, I'm Lori Kornblum. I'm an attorney and I'm an instructor at Milwaukee Area Technical College in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Today's topic is, what is IRAC? IRAC can be confusing, but don't worry. After this video, you'll understand at least a little bit about it. IRAC is just a shorthand way of describing how legal writing is organized. And there's basically four components: the issue, the rule, the application, and the conclusion. So the shorthand way of saying issue, rule, application, and conclusion is IRAC. Another way of saying this is you're going to ask yourself, what is the issue? What's the problem? You're then going to look at what is the rule, which means what is the law that applies. You're then going to spend some time applying the rule to the facts that you have, and then you're going to answer the issue and your conclusion. In our case, we have a client, let's call her Jane, who is driving 75 miles per hour in a 70-mile-an-hour zone. She gets pulled over and she tells the officer, "Oh, officer, I really didn't mean to be going so fast." So she's asking if she can get out of paying this ticket, and that's your challenge. Here I've added a statement of the issue, and if you want to see it, just pause this video. Now we're going to research the rule of law. So we would look at the statutes which govern speed limits, and then we would look at the case law that interprets those statutes to see whether there's an exception for people who don't really intend to be going that fast. In your application section, you then take the legal issue that you have and you look at the law. In this case, we have found that there are no cases making an exception for Jane's intent, and then you just apply the law to the facts, which is that she was driving fast and she got a ticket. Here you see I've added the application as you would write it with the law, and then finally you get to your conclusion that in this case you can't say that your client didn't violate the statute, so you're probably not going to be able to get her off. So here you have it. I is issue, what is the issue? R is rule, what is the law that applies? A is application, how does that apply to your case? And C is conclusion. What do you conclude about that particular legal issue? I hope you understood this, and I hope that this helps you.